Independent, mysterious, and also captivating. Cats have enchanted humans for thousands of years. But did you know that these purring balls of fur were once fierce hunters prowling in the wild? How did cats go from being solitary predators to rulers of our homes and hearts? Let's embark on this extraordinary journey. Our story begins around 10,000 years ago in the Fertile Crescent, a lush area where humans first practiced agriculture. Grain stores attracted rodents, and with rodents came their natural predators, wildcats. These wild hunters, scientifically known as Felis sylvestris libica *, began frequenting human settlements not out of love, but necessity. Unlike dogs, cats didn't need to adapt much to coexist with humans. Humans, in turn, found these stealthy rodent hunters invaluable. Over time, the tamest wildcats formed a bond with people, and this was the dawn of a new relationship. But here's the fascinating part: while domestication made dogs vastly different from wolves, domestic cats have remained strikingly similar to their wild ancestors, agile, independent, and instinctive. In ancient Egypt, cats achieved superstar status. Killing a cat, even accidentally, was punishable by death. Fast forward to the Middle Ages in Europe, where cats were falsely associated with witchcraft, leading to mass killings. Ironically, this contributed to the spread of the Black Plague as rodent populations exploded. Through ups and downs, cats have carved their unique place in human history. Fast forward to today, and cats have become more than just hunters, they're companions, influencers, and even therapy animals. But humans have influenced cats in ways both fascinating and concerning. Selective breeding has given rise to over 70 recognized cat breeds, from the regal Maine Coon to the hairless SPHYNX. But, as with dogs, breeding for appearance can come at a cost. For instance, flat-faced Persian cats often suffer from respiratory issues, while Scottish folds endure cartilage disorders due to their unique ear shape. And let's not forget the internet. Cats have arguably become the biggest stars of the digital age. From viral videos to memes, their quirky behaviors have made them cultural icons. But beneath their charm, cats face modern challenges, many of which stem from human actions. Stray and feral cat populations are one of the biggest concerns worldwide. In the United States alone, there are an estimated 70 million stray cats. Many face starvation, disease, and harsh weather. Cats are also natural hunters. In countries like Australia, feral cats are a major threat to native wildlife, causing declines in bird and small mammal populations. Efforts to control their impact have sparked intense debates. And then there's the indoor versus outdoor dilemma. While some argue that keeping cats indoors protects them from dangers like traffic and predators, others believe outdoor life is crucial for their well-being. Either way, responsible pet ownership, including spaying and neutering, is key. So, what does this tell us about humanity's relationship with cats? It's a story of coexistence, admiration, and yes, occasional neglect. Cats adapted to fit into our lives, but have we done enough to ensure they thrive, whether as pets or part of the ecosystem? It's clear, cats have shaped human history just as much as we've shaped theirs. But as guardians of these incredible creatures, it's on us to make mindful choices for their health and happiness. If you share your home with a cat, remember to treasure their independent spirit and unique needs. Adopt from shelters instead of shopping for trendy breeds. Spay and neuter your pets. And for outdoor cats, consider creating safe, enclosed spaces where they can explore without harm. Let's keep this conversation alive. Tell us in the comments, what does your cat mean to you? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible animal stories. Together, we can create a kinder world for all species, one paw at a time.